Amazing. So, guys, I got another trading session and I wanted to share with you because I think this one is going to be great. Perfect. So, the first trade here, I'm investing, as you can see, I'm only starting with the $300 and I'm expecting this one to go down. So, I'm expecting this candle to be a red candle, right? This one is expected to be a red candle. I'm investing $300, as you can see, and I expect to win $288. Yeah, $288 if my prediction is right, of course. Um, Guys, the strategy I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested in learning the strategy, I invite you to go and take the course and try to learn a thing or two. I will teach you everything I learned over the years with binary option. I will teach you my strategy, the way I trade. Everything is explained in the course. Here I'm trading Euro USD on IQ option, but you can trade on pocket option, binary option, Codex. There's plenty of good platforms. You need to do your own research. I can't advise you any one of them. You need to do your own research before choosing the perfect platform for you. All right. I like to trade with IQ option, but I'm not saying that IQ option is the best. I'm having a lot of hard time with IQ option. It's not that easy to trade with IQ option, to be honest. They will give you really hard time to let you withdraw your money from your account. So as you can see here, I can't withdraw all my money. So I'm having a method. I will teach you the method in the course. Yeah, so $288, the first win. Let's open this trade also. Yep, this one is going down. So I predict this one, and this one is going down. I still have, wait, I still have like 1, 2, 3. So perhaps 4 candles. I can predict 4 trades. Yeah, I guess I will be able to predict 4 trades. Amazing, right? Amazing. So guys, if you are interested in learning this strategy, the course is in the description below. Everything I know is in the course. So go ahead, try to learn thing or two. There's everything there. Great. And yeah, so the course was in this is in the description below. If you want to learn the strategy, I invite you to go there. So let's go back here. Let's go back to our trade. Yeah, the trade is saying that. Yep. So by looking at the parabolic SAR Bollinger Bands, by looking at the Bollinger Bands, by looking at here the RSI, everything is saying that this one is going down. So this one is going down. So perhaps, as expected, this one is going down. Yep. Yep. As expected, this one is going down. And I'm trading, yeah. So I'm making $288. Yep, $288. Amazing. $388. So let's see. Yeah, of course. Up. This one is going up, right? This one is going up. So based on the indicators on the chart pattern. So my strategy is on based on the indicators, the chart patterns, the colors of the candles, the direction of the candles, the size of the candles. So everything is explained in the course. So I invite you guys to go and take a look at the course, and yeah, I will teach you everything. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm only making these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is not a financial advice. If you need a financial advisor, I don't know, you need to look for a real financial advisor. I'm an entertainer. I make these videos for entertainment. Yeah. I make these videos for entertainment. I can't give you any financial advice. Great. Great. All right. another uptrend or an up candle. This candle is gonna be green. Remember, this candle is gonna be green. This is just a reminder, this is not magic. I'm not using magic. I'm using simple technical analysis. I'm using my method, my strategy, and that's it. So guys, go ahead and you can also develop your own strategy. There's plenty of good stuff, free stuff out there. There's books. You need to read books, watch tutorials, trade on demo account. You will get more and more skills with trading, and yeah, you become a good technical analysis and technical trader. Right, this one is also going up. I guess, guys, I still have this one, yeah, this one, and also the next candle. Let's see the direction of this, the size of this candle, and I will tell you, and I will predict the exact color and size of the next candle. Yep. Let's see. So last second, sorry, last second, and yep, as expected, last second, $288. I made $288. All right, this one is going up. So this one is going to be the last trade, guys. This is the last trade. So this is the last trade. This one is going up 100%. This is a green candle. So this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one. Yeah, this candle is going up. Please try to learn the strategy. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Great. I still have, this is it, the end for this day. I still have 3 seconds. Yep. Great. All right, see you later, guys.